Cooking is not just about recipes. It's about habits, mindset, and daily behaviors. Today, let's talk about simple behaviors that can turn anyone into a good cook. First, a good cook is patient. Great food takes time. Rushing meals often leads to mistakes. When you cook calmly, flavors develop better and food turns out right. Second, a good cook tastes while cooking. Don't wait until the food is served. Tasting helps you adjust salt, spices, and seasoning early. This one habit alone can improve your cooking instantly. Third, good cooks stay organized. They clean as they cook. They prepare ingredients before turning on the stove. An organized kitchen makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. Fourth, a good cook is curious. They are willing to learn new recipes. They ask questions. They watch others cook and try new techniques. Curiosity helps you grow faster in the kitchen. Next, good cooks respect ingredients. They don't waste food. They store ingredients properly. They use fresh foods when possible and handle them with care. Another important behavior is consistency. Good cooks cook often. The more you practice, the better you get. Even simple meals help build confidence and skill. Good cooks also accept mistakes. Burnt food happens. Oversalting happens. Instead of giving up, they learn and try again. Finally, good cooks cook with love. They care about the people they are feeding. They enjoy the process, not just the result. Food cooked with intention always tastes better. Remember, cooking is a journey. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the right behaviors and a willingness to grow.